Hello children, today we are going to learn a new tongue twisters. So previous videos like we have been learning lot of tongue twisters, am I right? So here I have come with the another two tongue twister. So first one it is a tongue twister with the sound T, okay? T irukilliya adode sound base panni the first tongue twister we are going to do, and in the second tongue twister it is the sound with the letter C, okay? So let's learn about the two tongue twister and its pronunciation. So let me ask you one question. What is the use of or what is the importance to learn tongue twisters? Nama tongue twister learn பண்ணிட்டு வரோம், but what is the importance? Why should we learn the tongue twister? Okay, yes, very good. To improve our English pronunciation. We need to improve our pronunciation. The way of speaking, right? In Tamil you speak differently, in English you speak differently. You should not mix this collaboration of pronunciation. Okay, so when you pronounce a word in English, you should pronounce it correctly and carefully. You should not mix it or you should not mispronounce the words. Okay, so I hope you are going to enjoy this tongue twisters. You can ask your elders or parents also to be compared with this tongue twister. If you learn a lot of tongue twister, then you will be a master of pronunciation in English. So let's learn the first tongue twister. So let me read out the first tongue twister for you. I thought a thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. Can you find the meaning of this first tongue twister? I thought a thought. If you read out simply like without no expression, see, I am going to show you one example when a person reads some tongue twister without expression, okay, without the correct expression. See, if I read when I read it normally, see, I thought a thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. What does it mean? Every word, sorry, every line it has the same word, that is thought. What is the meaning of thought? Thought means it is the past word of think only. Think odi past form the thought. But does it mean does all the thought mean the same? Do all the thought mean the same here? No. Here there are two different type of thought. One thought is the past form of the think, and one more thought will be our thought. Okay, நம்ம என்ன சொல்ல நம்மளுடைய ஒரு thought நம்ம சொல்லுவோம்ல, எண்ணம் ஒன்னு சொல்லுவோம், and think உடைய pastல இருக்கிற ஒரு thought. Okay, so now I hope you are clear with the difference between the two thought. So let's read out again. I thought, it means I thought. Okay, நான் உங்களுக்கு நினைச்சேன். A thought ஒரு எண்ணம். Okay, I thought a thought. Full stop. You need to stop here. Okay, when you see any full stop, you need to stop. Okay, see, I thought a thought. You need to stop. If you read like I thought a thought, if you continue like this, if you continue reading like this, means it will be what? It will be something confusion. Some confusion is going to be happen. So you need to read like I thought a thought. Stop here. Then but the thought, when you read the word but, you need to pronounce like but. Okay, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. Can you understand? நான் ஒரு thought நினைச்சேன், but அந்த thought அது இல்ல. So அதான் சொல்றாங்க, சார் நான் ஒரு thought நினைச்சேன், but the thought, but கொடுத்திருக்க thought நான் நினைச்ச thought கிடையாது. அதுதான் actually meaning. So now you need to read out faster. You need to read quickly. Okay, so that is what the tongue twister is. You should not read the tongue twister slowly. You need to read it quicker so that your pronunciation will improve. Let's begin reading in a quick way. Okay, I thought a thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. Second time, now you need to read it much quicker. Okay, see, I thought a thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. You need to read, see, the th sound. You are going to improve your th sound by reading this tongue twister. I hope you are clear with the first tongue twister, children. If you read it again and again, the way of pronunciation about the sound th is going to improve. So let's go for the second tongue twister. If you must cross a coarse cow across a crowded cow crossing, cross the coarse cow across the crowded cow crossing carefully. Can you understand the meaning? See, let me read out again one by one. If you must cross a coarse cow, if you want to, okay, கண்டிப்பாக ஒரு cow, okay, but cross cow means it's a mixture of different type of cow, okay. So அந்த cow நீங்க வந்து cross பண்ணனும்னா you need to cross a crowded cow crossing. அங்க நிறைய பசு கூட்டம் இருக்கு, அந்த crossing நீங்க cross பண்ணனும். Cross the cross cow across the crowded cow crossing carefully. If you cross, okay, if you cross the coarse cow, here the word coarse, C-O-A-R-S-C, the word coarse means it's a very aggression, okay, ரொம்ப அப்படியே ஒரு கரடு முரடான இல்ல ரொம்ப முரடான ஒரு அக்ரெசிவான கவ்வை நீங்க cross பண்ணனும்னா நீங்க கண்டிப்பா you need to cross that crowded cow crossing carefully. You need to cross that crossing னா அந்த வழி பாதையை நீங்க வந்து குயிக்காவே கேர்ஃபுல்லா நீங்க cross பண்ணனும். அதுதான் இதோட மீனிங். Here you are going to improve the sound of k sound, okay, that is the c sound, the letter c sound only. So let's read out this tongue twister also once again. For the first time we are going to read it slowly, okay. So let me read out this tongue twister for you. If you must cross a coarse cross cow across a crowded cow crossing, cross the coarse cow across the crowded cow crossing carefully. So I done a mistake. See here, when I'm reading, when I was thinking to read it, but when I was thinking to complete this tongue twister in a faster way, okay, or faster I read out pannu solta I can make a mistake also. Here I done a mistake, like I need to read this word but instead I miss the word and then I just skip for the next word இல்லையா. So நம்ம குயிக்கா படிக்கணும்னு நினைக்கும்போது நாம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், we will miss the words or else we will read out the word wrongly. So அதனால தான் tongue twister நீங்க படிக்கும்போது first 2 time நீங்க ஸ்லோவா read out பண்ணுங்க, என்ன வேர்ட் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அதுக்கேத்த pronunciation அதுக்கேத்த expressionோட படிங்க, you can improve it. So let's read out this tongue twister again with a quicker way, okay, in a quick way. So if you must cross a coarse cross cow across a crowded cow crossing, cross the coarse cow across the crowded cow crossing carefully. So children, I hope you are enjoyed this video by learning about the tongue twister. Read out this tongue twister, practice well again and again, ask your elders also to compete with you so that you can improve your pronunciation as well in a fun way. Thank you.